Okay, Gracie, here we are. We're at home. Big Blues right there. It was a great day today. Did about 130 miles on the bike today through Central Mass, Western Mass. Had a nice homemade turkey sandwich for lunch. And I got one more special review. Special guest review, although she didn't want to be on camera. I stopped by her house on my way home. She had a little surprise for me. When this goes up on Facebook, I'll tag her in it. My good friend Allison Fiedler, and unfortunately she is out of work because of the restaurant shutdowns, but she is also an amazing home baker and cook. And she sent me a message and said stop by, she got a surprise for me. So look at that. Homemade apple pie. I thought I had vanilla ice cream here at home. I don't. It's gone. Lizzie ate it. So I'm going apple pie, no a la mode. One bite, everyone knows the rules. Now I can't eat this whole thing. I can eat the whole thing, but I'm not going to eat the whole thing. I'm going to save some of it for later. But I told Allison I was going to do a little food review on it. So here we go. Allison Fiedler's homemade apple pie. One bite, everyone knows the rules. There's some major apples going on in this apple pie. Crust is nice and flaky. One bite. Come on. I spent the day on the motorcycle. I come home and have delicious homemade apple pie made for me.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, Gracie. How are you? There's Gracie right there. Want to try some apple pie?
What?
Come out here. I'm doing a video. Come try some apple pie.
Is this being recorded?
Yeah, we're
Being off camera.
No, we can't be off camera.
I look like crap.
Come on, everybody.
Hey everybody, what's up?
This is my Gracie. She's the original person that I used to do. I do all these videos for. This is my customer. Allison made this for me.
It's yummy.
It's good, huh?
It'll be good with some ice cream.
I know. I thought I had vanilla ice cream, but I forgot. I let Lizzie eat it last night.
Thanks for the guest special. I'm making buffalo cauliflower.
Oh, good. Buffalo cauliflower for dinner tonight. All right, Allison. Awesome pie. Thank you for thinking of me. I'm going... Listen, it's just as good as my lunch today. I'm going at 10.0. Can't beat homemade. So, that's a review. I think I might end up eating this whole thing. But I'm going to take Bella for a walk after. Definitely. After today. I was feeling good because I didn't eat any junk out in the road. I just had, well, this isn't junk, but it's delicious. That's it. Peace.